On the road again. Stay tuned, keep watching, hit us subscribe. In Bishop, first things first, when you landed in the Bishops, you have to stop by this place right here.
This is a half?
Yeah.
That is huge.
We ate our sandwiches. Perfect spot to start your weekend up to Mammoth. If you haven't been there, great sandwich spot. Great place to grab your baked goods as well. So on our way up to Mammoth, it looks like it's going to be a good storm coming in tomorrow and Saturday. So stay tuned. It should be a good adventure. So this is the place we call home for the next couple of days. Storm's coming in, so really dirty, windy, cruiser, 4Runner. Yeah, let's unpack and get situated in our place for the weekend. Welcome to my crib. Downstairs, 2 bedrooms, full bath. Upstairs.
That's the only strike as a TV. Oh, did you see Napoleon's coming out tomorrow? The movie.
Why is the TV a show?
Yeah.
Bedroom.
So,
What's wrong with the TV?
Apple.
Oh. Why do we not have their apps on TV?
Nice view. Mammoth Mountain. Good morning. Up to the lounge because we're not snowboarding, and yeah, we're gonna grab some drinks, try to stay dry. Still nice storm going on here in Mammoth. That's closed open.
All the red is closed, huh?
Yeah. There's a lot of people.
Got 27, please, guys. Please leave it open or close you out?
You can leave it open.
You're going for a chemical?
No. All right, it's been snowstorm all night. It's the front door. Seems like we're snowed in. About 3-4 feet. We have to plow this whole area, and then I walk through that to get 3-4 feet. Clouds are doing the work, snow's still falling. Today is Saturday, so we got one more day here in Mammoth. We always choose perfect timing. Last time for Big Bear, we got snowed in, and this time for Mammoth, we got snowed in. But we got food, we got, you know, heat, and we got a roof over our head, so we're winning already. Made this little trail to the Land Cruiser. Snow's still falling, and I had to clear this out. Snowplow just drove right by. Garage is sealed, but yeah, I think we're okay now that we clear this out. Yeah, you can see up to the knees. Ew, in California. I had to plow the Land Cruiser out. The plowers are here, but we were stuck. Luckily, a lady neighbor got us out. Land Cruiser. Had to pull the Land Cruiser out of snow, shovel it out, and then allow the plowers to come in and plow the driveway. But that's how hectic and crazy the storm is here in Mammoth. Well, that ends our trip here in Mammoth. The trip hasn't ended. We still have to get home. We're snowed in, so we had to get plowed out, but hopefully we get home safe. And thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next video.
At least through Sunday, March 3rd, 24. The areas affected include the eastern slope of the Sierra Nevada mountain range between Virginia Lakes to the north to Bishop Creek to the south. The hazardous weather conditions are expected in...
Okay, so we're not going home. The 395 was shut down. Luckily, we're able to get the cabin or the condo that we stayed in. We're able to stay one more night, so we're headed back to the cabin and just wait until tomorrow. We'll just grab some food already for tonight, and hopefully tomorrow it clears out. It's not snowing, it's just high winds pushing all the snow off the mountain and making the visibility really tough, and obviously it pushes the snow on the floor, so you know the conditions are bad. Like that. Land Cruiser packed for the second time. I think the roads are opened with snow chains required. So we're gonna go pick up some chains for the Forerunner and yeah, try to get home safe. So thank you for watching. Hit a subscribe. Catch you on the next video.